IPC Section 1, Title and Extent of Operation of the Code. Section 1 of the IPC is titled Title and Extent of the Operation of the Code. It provides the basic information about the IPC, including its title and the territorial jurisdiction where it applies. The section is as follows. Title and Extent of Operation of the Code. This act shall be called the Indian Penal Code and shall extend to the whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It shall come into force on the first day of January 1862. Explanation. The IPC is officially titled as the Indian Penal Code. This section states that the act is commonly known by this name. Extent of operation. The IPC extends to the whole of India, which means it applies to all the territories within the country. However, it explicitly excludes the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The reason for this exclusion is that Jammu and Kashmir has its own separate penal code known as the Ranbir Penal Code (RPC), which was enacted before the Indian Penal Code came into effect. Commencement. The IPC came into force on the first day of January of the year 1862. This specifies the date when the code was enacted and started being applicable. IPC Section 1 provides information about the title of the Indian Penal Code, its territorial jurisdiction, and the date of its commencement.